Hey, what's up guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you get to be notified. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing GetCashTo.com, how it works, then regarding the stories around that people are saying probably the website is not legit, it's legit and all, and literally how long this website has been in existence online, and is it true that the website is actually big? So the thing is just that after I did one of my blogs, so I found out that my blog is actually ranking for this specific keyword. So I feel like I've not created any content regarding the website or the platform. I don't even know what it's all about until I later visit the website and see what's all about. And I also say that people are searching for get cash to reviews. So see people if they are cashing out from the platform and if they actually legit. So there I come to conclusion to make a video regarding the platform. I also signed up to the account and I was able to see $25 for the welcome bonus, which is meant for joining the platform. So I understand most of this platform don't used to pay the welcome bonus until you earn some money after completing some tasks within the platform. So with that, I was unable to withdraw the money from the platform. So which means that if anyone sign up on the platform, you're going to get $25 bonus for signing up, and you will definitely earn $10 on every invite you drag to the website and that sign up through your invitation link, and you will also earn $2 on every clicks that you get through your link as well. And there are some also bonuses as well if you create a video related to or trying to promote GetCashTo. You are going to get $15 as it was stated on the platform, and you also see how the website also works and how they also pay users that make use of the platform. And you will also earn from $20 to $45 per task, which is the kind of survey you complete within the platform. And if you log into the website, you will see different things, which is not this. They say you will earn up to $85 if you complete a survey on the website, and on the home page it's actually different. And there are a lot of people who have been saying that the website is not legit, but then I also show you how long the website have been in existence and also if you can actually trust them. And I wrote an article regarding more stuff, and hopefully if I was able to get people to sign up through my link, then I'll be able to confirm if the website is actually legit or not, because you have to invite 8 people before you can get paid on GetCashTo. And also you have to fill in your bank details as well, or how you actually want to get paid. Then you must complete at least 4 tasks on the website before you can get paid. Those are the important things before you can get paid, and these are the payment method which they add on the platform, which is PayPal, Cash App, and then Google Play, and then Zelle as well. So these are the platforms that they used to pay for. Then these are the what affiliate says about them. I literally don't know about all this because this can actually be a garbage content if you are trying to set up a website. These are the very easy things to do, and they also promise to offer 24/7 live support to every user if you have any query or question to ask about. And they have generated over 800,000 people users on this platform. The website is even less than 90 days, and they have generated up to that amount of users. This is the fact that the promise that they give to users is actually outrageous, and it's way much than other survey websites. Imagine if you sign up, you are going to get like $25. There is no survey website that does that. So it makes people look like it's legit and looks unique to people. So that's one more reason why people are trying to sign up. Even though some people will be as smart as creating multiple accounts on GetCashTo just to confirm that they have invite 8 people through their link and to be able to get withdrawal or make withdrawal within the platform. So I literally don't blame those people because they are trying their way to find how legitimacy the website is and if they can actually trust the website. So checking on the About Us section, let's see what they have in there, and I'll also show you how long this website has been in existence, so you'll be able to understand how it works. So our offices spread in various countries. Welcome to GetCashTo, the #1 social media app. We are proud to be able to bring social network that is actually beneficial to society instead of promoting unhealthy social media habits where users don't benefit at all. We help users use social media to put money in their pocket. Now, even small users can make money from their social media, just like those big influencers. Additionally, instead of profiting all of the money like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, we make sure to split it with all of our users. This is why we have become the #1 social app. So I literally don't know how they become #1 social app, probably due to what they promised or not. I literally don't know, because this website is less than 90 days, like I said earlier. So I try to check on the domain and see how long this domain has been registered. So you can see the website was created. The domain was created on the 18th October 2022, and we are in December right now. So that's like last upper month, which of course is not possible for you to be top #1 or top the league where other platforms are there and they have not closed the business, and you say you are #1, so it's not actually possible for you to be #1 in just 90 days. Just like all this chat GPT like that. So we just started and people already think that they are here to change the whole game of content creation and ranking or generating of content. So, and I don't believe in all that kind of stuff, because within the short period of time you will say that the website is no more functional. So probably this website just wants to take the attention of people, and then within the short period of time probably won't see them again. I am not actually saying that they are not legit, but I have not seen any quality or payment proof that they are actually legit. So this is another link they have on their the footer of the website, which says payment proof. Let's check it out. Okay, GetCashTo sent you 1,000 something. So these are some payments they claimed, and they have it as screenshot on their website. So probably might be true. I'm not guaranteeing that it's actually true, and I'm not saying that they are scammers or they are not legit. But then these are what I've seen so far on the platform, and if you just sign up as well, you also get $25 for signing up bonus, and if you promote your website to your friends, you also get payments for referring or inviting your friends. So, and also this is another wallet as well, which of course wallet is not included on their payment gateway. So I don't know where they get that from, and I don't know if we should say that's actually legit, because on their payment option this wallet is not included on their payment option, and then probably some other ones as well, which of course we don't know. But then with my own belief, I feel like the more people use it, the more we'll be able to know if the platform is actually legit or not. So let's just wait and see more proof, and I'll still try to make a video like this. And of course, you can also check the comment section below to fasten this method of providing if they are actually legit or not. So you can use my referral link through the comment section or description of this video. Then we'll be able to reached out to at least 8 users who they actually ask us to bring before we can actually get paid through the platform. And if I was able to get 8 users, that's around $80. Then for $2 for clicking, that's like extra. So it will end up like maybe like 120 or 140, including the sign up bonus as well. So and if you sign up through the link that I provided for you, you also get the $25 bonus if you sign up through the link in my description below. So this is all what I understand about the platform, which is GetCashTo, and with the domain availability as well as how long the domain has been in existence. So I don't feel like they can actually just dominate the internet just like that for just 90 days. Of course, you haven't done anything special to me, and these are where the claim their office is. So Canada, Switzerland, and Madrid as well. So you can check them out and also see for yourself to know if you should trust them or not, and if you think they actually legit or not. So check them out today, and I'm very sure you also have more insight about the platform. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.